Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're in the market for an air fryer, this one is an awesome choice, especially if you're low on space. So this does not take up a lot of room, but it actually has a really generous basket. It is a 5-quart basket, so you can pack a lot of things in here, but it's easy to store. One of my favorite features is that it has this glass front window so you can see what's going on in there. You don't have to pause the cooking. You can look, it's all lit up, and you can see exactly how far along your food is. Now there are quite a few preloaded settings. So you have fries and wings, shrimp and bacon. You also have a reheat option, bake, roast, and air fry. It can all be accessed with the touch of a button. You can also just do whatever you want. You can adjust your temperature settings, you can adjust your timing. So you can make it work for whatever you want to put in here. It's nice to just throw in some frozen food to have a quick dinner, or you can make wings from scratch. You can put toast in here, bacon, anything you want. It will come out nice and crispy. It also has 2 trays, which makes for easy drainage, especially if you're doing something like bacon and you want the grease to fall through. It also allows for air circulation so everything gets nice and crispy. So if you want an air fryer, this one is not only nice looking, it works super well, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. So I definitely think it's a good choice, and that's my point of view.